So talk some Xcode here for a second. I want to show you something I learned. Before I show you the code, I want to show you something that I learned right here. So this is kind of interesting. I'm going to go to Xcode settings, and you see this right here, and you can see this is actually, it's not the normal. No, it is min-low, that's right. So that is not really a comment, right? That is really, let's see if I can do this where it'll be visible as I'm manipulating it. Can't make it any smaller. It's really documentation markup. And see, it says min-low. If I really wish I could move this down a little bit. Here we go. If you change this here, click here, there we go, and you drag this over, and I put it back to SF mono. Okay, that's interesting. It didn't change. Am I on the right thing? We're on, so let's see. Yeah, okay, so here's the deal. So we're on 12, and we've got, so it's really not the font, it's the spacing. Tight spacing. Nope. Okay. Relax spacing. Nope. Okay. All right. I don't know how I did that then. So before, when you would type, these things would all be weirdly, so they would be like it's condensed, right? It wouldn't be like the next there would be weird. But so we've got SF mono. I'm pretty sure that's what I had. Maybe it was SF, there we go. It was SF compact text. So see, when you're trying to make like a bar, in comments just to show where something is, a lot of people don't like doing stuff like this, but I like it. It was weird, so it was like that. And all I did was change it to min-low, which I think is also a monospaced font, and it wasn't comments, so this is mono regular, and that didn't make it like so. I can go back to that, and I can put that on SF compact text. All right, so now you can see that bit there is kind of weird, right? All right, so let's put that back on min-low again, so it'll be kind of normal. So this is documentation markup when you're putting multiples, and this is just a comment. Got a lot of customization, and let's put this back onto 12. Alright, so that's that. And then let's show a little bit of code here. Let's run this, running on an emulator. So the only thing is, previously, I did the length so that you have a green and blue section, and you've got a metric and imperial. And then resolution, I just added the colors. I haven't added any more. Temperature, I just added the colors. There's really nothing to do here because it's only one level of direction, but mass I modified. So let's get my calculations up here. So let's put in 5 ounces. All right, 5 ounces going to ounces is 5. If we put it to metric and we're in grams, 141,745. It's a little off. Now that could be off because the thing I was using to calculate didn't have like the 231. But if you type in here, that comes up. It'll the new Xcode code assist, whatever it is, it will put in the 231, and that might be why that's off. But 7.5 is, just way down there, whatever. If you were to put it to kilograms, it's just dividing by 1,000, right? So no big deal there. And then let's put in 3 pounds. If we have 3 pounds, well, pardon me, not 3 pounds, it's, 3 pounds would be, in terms of grams, 1360, 776. Divide that by kilograms, it'll go to there. Yep, so that works. It's done. Change that. I think they all have just the, I need to change resolution. Resolution. I don't know how to do this otherwise. That's the only thing there. Resolution, yeah, it's just showing an icon. Temp. And, just, what is it? Control-Shift-L. So if I put in temp, this is like, that's the one I was doing. I thought it was funny. It's tagged as COVID. That's just a different style. That's for your transmission. I guess this is for, like, they put this in if you're got a car with Apple on it or something. And that's that. Nothing else to show other than that.